Okay, super quick but powerful trick to make any patch in Serum feel much more human in genuinely just 3 clicks. First, let me show you what we're working with. So we've got this kind of keys patch, and you can see in the MIDI down here, we have all these lovely different velocities for our notes, but currently we're hearing everything at the same volume. Now, usually you might use something like this velocity control down here to drag to the amplitude of different oscillators or whatever, but I'm going to show you how to do this in 3 clicks for the whole synth, and this is especially useful if you have a bunch of different oscillators. So you ready? First click, second click, third click. And now we get this modulation from the velocity to the amplitude of everything in the synth at once. So listen to how much more dynamic this is now, especially these last few notes. And there we go. Try it out for yourself. Check out synthhacker.com if you want to support the channel, and check out my presets, and I'll see you in the next video.